presentation is on Dolly the Sheep. Dolly the sheep was the first mammal to be cloned from a human adult. This cloning took place in Scotland at the Roseland Institution by Will Ian Wilmot. Dolly was born on July 5th, 1996. And as you can see here, I have a picture of Ian Wilmot along with Dolly, which she was 5 years old at this time. And then here is another picture of Dolly the sheep at the age of 2. Dolly was she basically started her life in a test tube. So we have here, this sheep right here is the egg donor. And this sheep right here is where they got some of the cells from in order to get Dolly. So she pretty much started in this test tube and she was there for about 6 days until they felt that the embryo was ready to be implanted into another sheep, which they went ahead and they did that with this sheep, and they considered that sheep the surrogate mother, which then after 141 days she gave birth to Dolly. So then I found some interesting facts on Dolly the sheep. Dolly the sheep was the first successful mammal. Dolly was not revealed to the world until 1997. So from the age that she was born to basically a year later, they wanted to make sure that she had her first year of life was okay, and then they went ahead and decided to reveal their success. She was cloned using a mammary gland from Dolly Parton, which is how they got her name from the country singer, yes. The cloning process was attempted at least 277 times. They went through all of that and eventually they got their success. Dolly was cloned. I'm sorry, Dolly was able to reproduce. She went on to have twins at the age of 2, and she also had triplets at the age of 5. So, Dolly lived for 6 years, where a sheep's lifespan usually is from 10 to 12 years. Okay. So they felt basically that she died at the age of 6 because basically, since she had an adult mammary gland from a human, that might have accelerated her process. She was then at the age of 6, which I said earlier, she died on February 6th, no, I'm sorry, February 14, 2003, from lung disease, and she had severe arthritis. Thank you very much.